Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I want to show you how to blanch tomato and to make tomato concassé. That is a very simple, very fresh kind of tomato sauce. First you remove that part here. Notice that my thumb is touching here and I cut around. If your thumb is not there, you may hurt yourself. So to blanch tomato, we drop them in boiling water. They should be covered by the boiling water, so I should have a little more here. Anyway, but the riper the tomato are, the less time it needs to. But basically 10-15 seconds is about enough to blanch the tomato. So we remove them. Very often a recipe will tell you to put them in ice, water and ice. I don't. I think it changes a little bit of the taste. Remove and I leave them on the table for a few seconds. And then from here, as you can see, the skin will slide very, very easily. So here I have a totally clean tomato. As I say, if your tomatoes are not ripe, they will take a few more seconds in there, but eventually, yes, just like this, the skin comes out. In that case here, what we do, you cut them across to expose the seed. I have a pound of tomato here, 3 small tomatoes, a pound. And then I want to press the seed out. The seed and the juice be spread out like this, just to have tomato flesh. Now for the concassé tomato, I want to put, for that, a good tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half of olive oil, maybe a quarter of a cup or so of coarsely chopped onion, a clove of garlic, crush it, it's about a teaspoon so of garlic, saute in there, and a little bit of fresh thyme. Feel around. That's it. This is the base of my tomato sauce. And then to this, we're going to add the tomato flesh. I will reuse the juice in there. Just to have the seed. I'm going to put salt in it. Good dash of salt. A dash of sugar. And a little bit of fresh pepper. This will boil 3-4 minutes. A little piece of butter to it at the end. And this is it. This is a tomato coulis, so-called. And very often I will do a standard tomato sauce where you cut your tomato whole, onion, carrot, tomato paste, stock. You cook it like an hour, and then I strain it, very smooth, and then I do a fresh tomato like this to add to it. That's one of the ways it was done years ago. But for me, that fresh tomato coulis here is just about the best. See, now it's cooked enough, it has a taste of fresh tomato, and it doesn't need more cooking than that. That on top of fresh pasta or whatever, here is what a tomato coulis is. Delicious. Happy cooking.